Master Weekend is upon us, and I'm swinging big wood with the Ken Griffey Jr., y'all. Breaking it out for our two beautiful Bronco Apex Editions behind us. Let's go. Also rocking the Griffey ones to roll with the Griffey jersey today, just because I wanted to flex a little bit, y'all. Just like these two flexing Apex Edition Broncos right here at Akins and Wild Willies. Got Oxford White, Iconic Silver. I love the Iconic, and we need to see more white Broncos, so let's get right to it. Apex Edition, Big Ben. It's a 2022, now available for purchase here as of Masters Weekend, y'all. Got to come see us. We are 3-inch lifted on 35, so we give plenty of room for the articulation of the 35s on a 3-inch four-wheel parts coilover lift. It's a good mid-level lift as far as overall quality and price point. Has a big tire fit kit, so you can incorporate full articulation. Basically, the crash bars are removed in lieu of the replacements there, front and rear. We are Toyo Open Country AT2 on the fuel shock wheel in 17x9. Mild to wild scale puts us right in that sweet spot to me of a good balance of about 3.5 inches overall. Take note on the Big Ben, you've got a slight different front bumper than the 2021s, but Big Ben kind of an entry level package for you, but giving nice accessories to make it look so much better, and ride quality is much better as well. The rigid D-series lights, the duals on both sides, love that look. Very, very bright between these four lights right here. You're going to love that. Infab podium side step bars as well, just to give you a good confident step application. And on the inside, what you can expect on the Broncos. Now, if you've been following our channel, we've been doing a lot of these Bronco customizations. So this is, we're in 30 vehicle range as far as Apex Edition Broncos just for the lot, not to mention all of our customer builds. A good look at window sticker information on the Oxford White. Does have the big 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine, 10-speed automatic. Our Apex Edition package as follows there. Great additions, which will complete right now, y'all. So out back, the spare tire care from 4-wheel parts. I love that fuel shock wheel. It just has that overall off-road rugged wheel that you would expect on a Bronco. A good look at your mild to wild scale out back as well. But let me know what you think about the white. Do you want to see more white? I want us to do a painted hard top in white. This is a soft top, but definitely cannot wait to see more renditions from us on our Apex lineup, especially on the white. Now to the Iconic Silver in Black Diamond. You can tell bumper is slightly different on this one as well. Your tow hooks are integrated inside versus being below, and it just looks cleaner, not near as bulky. And same application as far as lift choice on this Apex, and again, same choice on your 8-pillar lights. Did a dual setup. It's very discreet and subtle, but puts out so much light, y'all. I'm just telling you. But again, the 3-inch coilover lift, full replacement upper control arm, rear track bar as well. And we used the Roush performance wheels. On this one, it just looks a good premium wheel, and it works well on the Iconic Silver. Honestly, it does not match as good as I wanted it to. It's a little bit darker of a shade of a silver, but nonetheless, it's not black, which I was looking for, something that was not black, just to be slightly different and show a different variation. So silver on a Roush wheel, soft top, 2.7 liter as well. Very similar characteristics overall as far as the parts that we use between the two. And this is plus 25 on the offset, so we do stick in, as you can tell, in comparison to the white one, slightly more, but 25 millimeters to 0+1 is not that much, but nonetheless, it's enough to make a difference. You know what I mean, y'all? On the window sticker here, on the Black Diamond, slightly higher on price point, not much though. And again, our Apex Edition package, both of these are in the low 60s before tag, tax, and title. Slightly nicer interior if you choose to think that, as far as the blue attributes versus the more basic on the Big Ben. Let me know what your thoughts on that. It's got the small screen, but ride quality, marine grade vinyl throughout with nice contrast stitching, some gray, lighter gray, and more of a silver inside. This one just flows very nicely. I like the silver as well as the white. I don't know which one I like better. Obviously, I like silver because of the wifey's, but the white just hits just right, just like the silver, y'all. So 2 of these bad boys. We're getting more Broncos. We're getting more trucks. I'm going to bring you more F-150 action. If you're staying tuned to my channel, but you're an avid F-150 guy, Real Deal's got you. I know the lack of this year. It's been a lot of Raptors, not so much F-150. I get it, and I got you taken care of with both of the offsets on our wheel choice, as well as the 35-inch tires throughout both of these 3-inch kits. We could have easily ran 37s, but we just try to think about a good balance of offerings here at Akins and Willies of pushing the envelope ever so slightly when we know the time is right, but just run things that we know is going to be fast sellers and things that customers are going to appreciate and love, ready to roll. It's your source for everything auto in Winder, Georgia, y'all. So these 2 Broncos right here are ready to ride and have great capability off-road, but great capability in the parking lots of turning heads, because we know that Bronco Nation is strong, just like we are here at Akins and Willies, y'all. We got it going on with Broncos and everything auto. Check us out for more at akinsford.com and follow me at Real Deal Neal 07 on Willies TV, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Thank y'all.